Illinois Auto Truck, or IATCO, is an independent manufacturer of heavy-duty truck clutches and clutch components. Our story began in 1939, when my grandfather, Fred Greenberg, founded the company as a small truck parts jobber in the Chicago area. In the 1940s, in response to customer requests, he began manufacturing clutch components. After that, the company grew steadily over the decades, and today, over 85 years later, we've evolved to become an industry leader in the manufacturing of new clutch assemblies, clutch components, supplemental clutch parts, and flywheels for the heavy and medium-duty truck market.
At Illinois Auto Truck, we specialize in manufacturing new clutches for Class 6, 7, and 8 commercial vehicles. Our product line includes both manual and self-adjusting clutches engineered to meet the demands of today's heavy-duty applications. In addition, IATCO offers a variety of automated manual transmission clutches compatible with Volvo iShift, Mack M-Drive, Detroit DT12, Endurant, and UltraShift Plus transmissions. To support the complete clutch installation, Illinois Auto Truck also manufactures a full line of supplemental clutch parts and flywheels, ensuring compatibility, performance, and reliability across all major driveline systems. We take great pride in manufacturing our products in the United States of America. Our headquarters and manufacturing facility, located in Des Plaines, Illinois, serves as the foundation of our operation, where quality, precision, and performance are built into every product we produce. Our commitment to performance extends beyond manufacturing. With a 99% fill rate, 98% on-time delivery, and lead times averaging 3 to 4 days, we deliver the responsiveness and dependability our customers expect. And through a distribution network of more than 2,500 locations, IATCO delivers efficient global availability and dependable service to our customers worldwide. At IATCO, quality is at the foundation of everything we do. Each product is manufactured under precise standards with careful attention to detail at every stage of production. All of our products are 100% new and are engineered to meet or exceed OEM quality requirements. IATCO also takes great pride in providing exceptional customer support that goes beyond simply answering calls. It's about being a true partner to our customers. From 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time, our knowledgeable, bilingual support team is available by phone or through a live chat on our website, ensuring prompt and reliable support.
Through our commitment to innovation, reliability, and service excellence, Illinois Auto Truck continues to set the standards of quality and performance in the clutch industry, proving we are, without question, best in the clutch.